ERP for agriculture cooperatives. Welcome to guidance video on use of ERP deposits thrift. In our earlier videos we discussed on membership savings module. In this video we will discuss thrift deposits module. Deposits are one of the important resources of the society. Deposits are two types, namely time and demand deposits. Thrift, savings and current accounts comes under demand deposits. Interest on thrift deposit is paid on daily product basis. Now we are in login page. Enter the login credentials, date, captcha and click on login. System displays different icons for all the services available in the society. Let us click on thrift deposit. So to work with thrift deposit, we need to set up the product of thrift deposit in the system. So let us go to configuration, product definition, savings and thrift. In product definition screen, select thrift deposit product and system will display all other fields. Since here already product is available, we are not defining any thrift deposit product. So after viewing all the fields, click save button if any field is modified, otherwise click clear to come out. System displays success message and by clicking OK, we will come out from that. Let us go back to thrift deposit. The tasks that are available here are application for opening, thrift deposit for depositing, thrift withdrawal for withdrawing from the thrift account, and interest for interest payment, and finally closer option to close the thrift account depending on the requirement. Finally, like all other applications or modules, we have reports available here. First, let us go to application. So here we need to enter admission number. So here what we have done in the application for A class members, system automatically opens a thrift deposit account. Other than A class members only, we need to open thrift deposit account. So this admission number of the member which we have selected is of A class member. We will move on to next screen from general details. If any mandatory field is not filled, system will display a message to that effect. As we could see here, system displayed a message because the selected member is a class member. Hence, system displays this message for one member, one account only. That restriction is there. After filling in all the three tabs data, including the mandatory fields, click on finish to open the account. We will go back to the other task, thrift deposit. So this option is used for depositing cash or transfer from some other account. Enter admission number of the member in whose thrift deposit account we are going. Need to select voucher type, cash, transfer. Then system displays the outstanding balance in the existing thrift deposit account of the member. Enter the amount that is going to be deposited now in the amount column and click save. System displays current transaction amount in words. If the same is correct, continue by pressing yes, else click on no. And then system displays success message, click OK. System will display voucher information which can be printed by clicking on print option, else click OK. This financial transaction need to be passed and posted from FAS, that is Financial Accounting System, module. So there click on Pass Voucher. In the displayed screen, click View. System will display the debit and credit details for the selected transaction. Click Post to post the transaction, else click Delete to delete the transaction if it is not required. So we have deleted the transaction, it was successful. Click OK to come out. We are going back to Thrift deposit. After the deposit, we are moving to Thrift withdrawal. Again, we are going to enter the same member admission number and click anywhere in this screen. Activity type is selected by default withdrawal, and then we need to select voucher type. Select cash, and as usual system displays under particulars the amount available in the account, and withdrawal amount is to be entered in amount column, and click Save. Transaction amount is displayed, click Yes to continue, and success message is displayed, click OK. Voucher information is displayed, click OK, and we need to post the transaction from FAS as usual, like any financial transaction. After account opening, deposit, withdrawal, we'll move on to interest. So here we are having three options. One, calculate interest. This is for calculation of interest, and then post interest. Calculated interest can be posted using this option. Select the product as Thrift deposit. System automatically displays last interest paid date, calculation date, rate of interest, etc. And click on calculate. System displays progress message in the interest calculate status details. We need to wait till it is completed 100%. Now we could see the interest calculation is completed 100%. Click on OK and then close. Already interest is calculated. Let us go back to Thrift. We'll move on to the last but one task, that is closure. We will select the admission number of the member whose account is to be closed. Now we will discuss about Thrift deposit closure. We will enter the admission number of the member whose Thrift deposit account to be closed. System knows the data. We can see here, since we have done the interest calculation on all the accounts, we need to select voucher type. The closing balance after interest credit, we can pay by cash also or transfer to the member's account. Click Save. See, the next process after saving this transaction, like we have explained in case of deposit and withdrawal, the transaction has to be posted through FAS post. Now, after discussing account closure, we are moving to reports. Click on reports. As we could see here, like any other reports available in the system, we are having the three categorized reports types. Other reports, common accounting system, management information. Under other reports, we have statement of account and account summary. Common accounting system, we are having Thrift account ledger. We do not have any reports defined under management information. Under other reports, statement of account is for generating statement for a selected account. Enter the admission number, click OK, then click View. System generates the account statement for the account of the selected member. In this video, we have discussed about Thrift deposit tasks. Application, that is for account opening, depositing, withdrawal, interest and closure. Apart from that, reports which are common for all applications is also discussed. For support, please email to erp@intellectinfo.com. Thank you.